to be dyeing my hair with the SIM curl color. It's going to be my second time. I've tried it once. The first time I tried to film a video, but I just didn't film the results. I never took a picture or anything. So I just have the intro and how I applied this product, which I did have gloves. I don't have gloves today, so that's gonna bother me a lot. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm going to separate my curls. Last time I didn't because I really wanted my curls to look like highlights, and they did. Rub it on my hands, I guess. Go like this. Oh my god, I'm actually doing it. I want it to look like highlights too. Like I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go for it. But I don't want it to look so crazy blonde. But I just figured that I should improve my application, right? So, because I have some areas where I applied way too much, and ew, I don't like the texture of this. All right. Because my hair is super dark, I have to use a lot of product if I want my hair to look light when it's dry. Just an FYI. But the product is really good. Like I said, I've tried it before, and that's why I'm trying it again, because otherwise I would have thrown it away. But the product is really good. I just have to use a lot because I have a lot of hair, and two, it's really dark. My curls just become very defined with this material. Like I'm at work. With this product. Just want to make sure I have product everywhere because last time I didn't. So that's what we're doing today, improving the application. Making sure that every strand has been dyed. You can dye your hair with SIM products. They have so many different products, so many different colors. Purple, red. I think that they have blue, but don't quote me on that one. Gold, as they call it. This one is the one I'm using, the gold one. Yeah, they have a couple more, but I can't remember. I think blue is one of them, and green maybe? I don't know. But anyways, it could be a good idea for Halloween. Because last time my curls were super orange. I don't want to say orange. Maybe gold. Like they would look very golden when they were wet, and dry it looked like I had highlights that were blonde. But right now, it doesn't seem that way. Oh my goodness. I think I only have enough for 2 applications because of the amount of hair that I have. So I'm so glad I'm filming this video for you guys. The most exciting part, finally, the front. I just got bangs again. Did it myself. Not the best, but they're there. Oh, actually not. This is how my hair looks like. Yeah, this is exactly how it looked like last time. She is blonde. Again. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. Alright, so let me do my makeup. I'm going to air dry my hair, which I shouldn't because I have places to be and I'm gonna look super weird. But if you don't like it, look somewhere else. That's okay. So I'm back and I have good news and bad news. So the good news, well, let me tell you the bad news first. Bad news is my hair is not fully dry. I tried to diffuse my hair, but today has been a crazy day, you guys. I don't know what's happening around me. I couldn't even explain to you how we go from 4 days ago my diffuser was working and today it just didn't even turn on. Like, I just don't even understand. I couldn't even imagine what could have happened. It was working and today just doesn't want to turn on. So I don't have a blow dryer right now. It just doesn't work anymore. So I couldn't diffuse my bangs and I still have some areas in the back where my hair is a little bit damp. But this is the final color because this area here is dry. It's a little bit damp, like 10% damp I would say, so it's like 90% dry. But I think the last time my curls were a little bit lighter, and I think that has to do with the fact that I didn't divide my hair into small sections. I just divided it in half and I took a bunch of product and put it like on the top, so I didn't really focus inside. So I think I just applied a lot of product on the top. That's something just to keep in mind if you really want to have like just some highlights, then just split your hair into half and put it on top. But if you want like a lighter color like I have right now, I don't think I have highlights, I think it's like a lighter brown color, then just split or divide your hair into small sections. The good news is I did try this product before, like I said, so I know exactly how your curls are going to look like throughout the week and if the product is going to dry your hair or whatnot. No, your curls are not going to be dry. This product is not going to dry your hair. It didn't dry mine. And it's really easy to take it off. You just hop in the shower, rinse it off, no problem. Just wash it a couple of times. I did wash it 3 times just to make sure. And same thing with your clothes. If you wear something dark, I recommend something dark just so you can just not go crazy, because if I wear something light and I see that gold color in the back, I'm just gonna go nuts. But you can, any color, you can just pop it in the washer, wash it, it comes off right away. Same with any surfaces. This product is water soluble, so you can wipe anything down with water and soap. It's fine, no staining at all. One thing that I didn't like about this product, I think on day 2, but definitely on day 3, the product started to flake. I couldn't even move my head too much, that like some red orange type of like really tiny particles started to fall. I was doing my hair one morning, put my hair up, and the sink was covered, like the sink had a lot of those tiny particles. So just that's something that I didn't like, and I think it's just the product is made out of some clay product, so when it dries it starts to crack and just flakes. I wouldn't buy it again because it's very messy. But maybe for like Halloween or maybe for like a one-day event or something, definitely it's very worth it. I don't see why not. Just my preference. I didn't like the flaking part and I don't like messes. But other than that, love the product. Let me know down below if you are going to give it a try and what you thought about the results. So, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. You guys will see me in my next video. Bye guys.